What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person to like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Join the Discord to talk about sneakers, trainers, high-end stuff, fashion, whatever you want to call it. Let's build up that community. There is a few of us in there. We need more members. Not really got much else to say apart from like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon, all that good stuff. Let's get into it. So this sneaker trainer, I actually believe, I didn't rewatch my old video, but I believe I requested Nike to make these, and I know someone at Nike watched my review. I also know that they took my, well, I don't know, it's allegedly. They allegedly made them. So thank you, Nike, if you did make them for me. I really do appreciate it. If you'd like some more, ideas, if designers want to know, give me a shout and we'll work something out, man. Because I got quite a few designs, colorways, etc. ready. Let's get into it, people, man. Plain red and white Nike sportswear box. We're just going to ignore it. This box, or I should say label, is slightly different. The original label is behind it. The company I've purchased these from put their own labels on. They do this with every sneaker and I like it. It's quick, it's easy. So simply says Nike Waffle 1 leather. B&W meaning black and white. Leather, which is what they are. Waffle 1 leather. Size UK 10 440. That just means 44 in the Nike European size. Let's get into it, man. So I really loved the mesh ones, but I wanted a pair of leather ones. I knew they were gonna go on sale, so I just waited. I do notice that I do need half a size down. I tried to be cheeky and just go for a 10 quick, because I found these much cheaper. I will need to send them back and look for a 9.5, as I do need like half a size down from my regular Air Max size. I don't know why, but I just think these fit kind of longer, so it might be a bit different. We'll just start from the bottom. So we've got the Waffle sole. If you know the story behind the Waffle sole, it is that they made the sole in a waffle machine. This is kind of like paying homage to that, so that's why they call the Waffle ones Waffle sole, and paying homage to Nike's humble roots. I really like this bit. It's a little a little tab. It's got a Nike swoosh and it says EST 1972, which is when Nike was established. So it's just giving you that information. Waffle sole with little slits in white. Midsole is all white. Then these are what they call, I believe they are like a double sole style. So the double sole bit, that bit's plastic around the heel. Quite sturdy, to be honest. And the upper on the heel, we've got a kind of rough suede. That is quite rough, to be honest. Very rough, that. Rough suede going all around the heel. And then we've got a little heel tab. Not sure why, but it's just, it's their design. You can pull it down and it does have a small message. And it says estimated 1972. Estimated? I'm going crazy. Established. See, we just keep the howlers in. Established 1972. NSW meaning Nike Sportswear. I do know NSW is also an area in Australia. Facts for the people. And / WFFL, which means waffle. Then we've got the leather. This is the bit I love, by the way. The leather. That's right, the leather. All around. Toe box. And wrap around the other side. amazing, man. I wanted just a leather toe box, like I didn't mind, but they made the whole thing leather, even better. We've got again rough suede toe guard, that rough suede. We've got an embossed swoosh, and then we've got a normal long extended Nike swoosh that goes under the heel part. Again, we've got the suede all around the laces, and we do have flat laces, standard Nike flat laces. They do look slightly wider than normal laces, but I think it's the same. We've got the tongue with the perforations in, and then it's got the NSW / Waffle 1 again. So, you know, little hints of the name and stuff. This side, we've got a bit of information. Again, estimated, established in 1972. And then it's got different information, which is BVRTN and then OR, which just is kind of short for Beaverton, Oregon, where Nike started. And then it's got NSW and then WFFL1. I'm not sure why they didn't just write it out the normal way. I'm pretty sure there's more than enough space for font Times New Roman size 10. But, you know, it was up to them. I always critique or want to change things on sneakers. Sizing guide, definitely, as I think they fit a bit longer. They run a bit, you know, long. Width is good. Just the length is a bit odd. So half a size down for myself. You, whoever's watching, it might vary for you. So I can't really tell. I do always say just try them on, and then we'll be able to see. So they don't have much like padding or anything inside like that, but they do have, you know, a bit of padding, very tad bit on the ankles. So, you know, your ankle doesn't rub against your ankles and cause you discomfort. Then we've got the heel as well. I wear these loose, or I will be wearing them loose. So when I wear them, I just wear them like kind of untied up. I don't know, that kind of style. On the other ones, I haven't worn these yet, so I don't know how I wear these. Probably could be laced up. Not sure, because this tongue is a bit different to the other one. It's quite more stiff, as it's made out of leather, the perforated leather. But yeah, people, man, I'm happy with them. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the Discord. Let us know what you think. And most importantly, take care, my people.
Thank you.